Namaste, welcome aboard. Today I'm talking about the 6 pillars of how to lift your vibration and how to live in harmony with these 6 pillars. These are the keys for success. They're amazing, guys. So you got your spiritual pillar, which underpins everything. Then you've got your second pillar, mental. You've got to have the mindset. Your third pillar is your physical. You've got to have physical strength, aerobic ability, flexibility too, guys. Then you've got your fourth is your relationships. How you interact with people. Are you inspiring? Are you positive? Are you motivating? Are you kind? Are you caring? Instead of being all about being tough and pushing people away. So that's relationship. That's the fourth. Fifth pillar, financial. You can have all the others, but you've got to be financial abundant as well, letting it flow in so that you can help yourself and you can also help others. And the sixth pillar, my favourite, is underpinning everything, is oneness. Living in harmony, guys. Seeing the oneness in all things. When you see difference between people or difference between things, that's because you're at a lower vibration. So life each day is about lifting your vibration and constantly having abundance in each of those 6 pillars, guys. And the sixth one, the oneness, is about your development into spiritual pillar, mental pillar, physical pillar, relationships, and financial. When all of those are in alignment and you've lifted your resonance, your vibration up, so you vibrate with the infinite field, because we're all part of the whole, guys. Look at nature. It's a massive web which is interconnected, and each part of the web is helping each other, sustaining the other part of the web. And what we're doing is we're part of the web as well. But our consciousness, our human consciousness, has to expand, guys. We can't keep fighting, trying to dominate everybody. You've got to master yourself. And when you master yourself, you don't want to dominate anybody. You don't want to be going like this. You want to be living in the 6th pillar, the 6th. You want to be in oneness. It doesn't mean you're not strong, but you see the truth, guys. You've actually vibrating at a level where you're not interested in trying to compete with other people. The only person you're competing with is yourself, your inner self, every single day, every single minute, guys. That's the only person you have to deal with. Because when you deal with that, you've dealt with everything else. The problem is that people are always looking externally to try and find themselves. It starts with your inside. It starts with your heart. It starts with sticking to what writing it down on a diary. I've got a diary every day. Getting up early in the morning, early, doing my meditation for an hour, doing 2 or 3 hours yoga, weights, salute to the sun for my cardio. Reading, researching about mindset, expanding my paradigm, and crossing those off to get a dopamine hit, guys. I've got my morning drink, which has got honey in it. It's got 2 bags of green tea, 2 bags of pomegranate or superfruit. These are tea bags in there. So I've got 4 bags in this big mug, this big ass mug I've got. And then I put honey in, because honey and warm water, from a yogic perspective, you lose weight. Okay? I put cinnamon in there. It's got heaps of minerals, your micronutrients. I also have turmeric, which is an anti-inflammatory. It's got corundum in there. And what that does is it basically lowers your inflammation in your body so that you can train more, that you don't get so much downtime. You can keep working away. So that's what I have in the morning to kickstart me. Then I write my diary. Then I go through my meditation, my yoga. Right? So that's the meditation, the spiritual side. connecting with the field, connecting with everything. And I put myself in flow state. Then I get into my yoga, my routine, going through salute to the sun, going through all my exercises, my different asanas. Then I'm doing de-aging alignment with the Earth's gravitational field, north-south polarity, using my crown chakra and my feet pointing south, and I'm using Manipura chakra to pull in energy, to pull in prana. Then I'm doing each chakra, I'm tuning in, doing Kriya yoga. And all through this, I'm using mudras, which are a particular thing. That's Apana mudra. That's prana mudra. There's so much to it, guys. It's an infinite science, yoga, and it's been going on for thousands and thousands of years, actually tens of thousands of years, and beyond that. So combining all these things into each day gives you joy. When you don't stand up to your word, when you write something down, you've got to do it, guys. You've got to keep on moving up. When people are pulling your vibration down or you're feeling low, that's the universe saying you need to act. You need to do some exercise. You need to do some meditation. You need to write down exactly what you're going to do. These are basically instructions from the field saying that you're out of alignment. You're not in alignment with the field. So by doing all these different exercises and pranayama and meditation and all these mudras, it sounds a lot, and also weights and flexibility, guys. It's so important because a lot of guys are built like Sherman tanks. The problem is they can't even brush their teeth. I mean, I'm talking about the massive guys. You've got to be flexible, fast, aerobic, toned. It's not just all about muscle, because building muscle shortens the fibers, muscle fibers. So you've got to stretch those out with flexibility as well. So there's a huge world out there for you to step into. You just got to take the step. When you're feeling down and got anxiety, straight away get into some exercise. Then do some meditation. Eat good food. Stay away. I don't stay away from like marijuana and alcohol. I'm not into that. It's pulling my vibration down, guys. It's not doing anything for. It's not doing anything. It's pulling you down. You want to be moving on up. You want to be creating this beautiful person, the being, infinite being, because we are infinite beings, guys. We're amazing if we give ourselves the actual, take off the lid of our conditioning, take the ceiling off our conditioning, take it away, throw it away, and basically become infinite. Each day, at the end of the day, you feel good. You feel like you've really done your best. Like me doing this video is because I want to give to people. I've trained with yogis. I've had Shakti part implanted in me. Enlightenment going through me from the yogi. I had tears running down my face. One of my videos talks about it. So there's a huge world waiting for you. Now, we're on the karmatic wheel. We're on the upswing now. In the confluence age, coming back up again. There will be times when there's going to be a problem, but you've got to be ready, fit, have that oneness about you, raising your consciousness, so you're contributing to the whole consciousness of humankind, of all things, lifting it up. You don't want to be pulling it down. Like, it's easy to pull things down, but you just lie in bed. So how do you stop that? Take action, guys. Go for it. And realize that you are an infinite being. Don't ever put yourself down. You don't need to swear at yourself. You don't need to beat yourself up. Just know that you're going to cross those things off on your diary each day. And then you'll feel good. Feel that you're part of everything. Feel if somebody needs a little bit of a hand, have a chat to them. Don't run away from them. Be kind to other people. Be helpful to other people. You don't need to get sucked into their drama. You can actually need to stand up and say, I don't need to drink. If they're drinking and they're drunk, and you say, they ask you, how do you do it? So I don't drink. I do exercise. Go through what you do with them. If they don't want to do it, they're not ready. But every now and then, Have a kind word for them. Try to inspire them. Lift yourself up, and then you lift everybody up. It's like the rising tide lifts all ships. And you're a ship. We're sailing through life. You've got to take all the junk off the board of your ship. People piled all this baggage on their ship, and they're trying to sail through life. They're weighed down. The water's going over the bow. Declutter your life. Simplify your life. Take away all the drugs. Take away the alcohol. Just focus on you. Focus on your energy, your willpower, clarity, and have a laser focus. Every day, lift your vibration, guys. Every day, become a better person. Because ultimately, it's about oneness. And when you have that oneness, it's an amazing feeling. You're in flow state each day like I am, and you're flowing through things. So that's all I got, guys. Boop, subscribe. There's a book I've written down there. I've written 5 novels. I've written 18 books. So it's lovely to see you all. I hope